We're in Wakefield Park in Annandale, Virginia. We came in and did a stream restoration on about 2,700 linear feet of stream. The stream here, before we started this project, was severely eroded. It had been downcut and the stream channel had widened because of the erosion. High water flows can't stay in that small constricted area, so the stream gets out of its banks and the water gets over into the floodplain. With the vegetation that's in the floodplain, they serve as roughness, if you will, to slow down the water. It creates friction, it creates obstacles to the water moving. When water is slowed down and spread out, it does not have the erosive power that it has in a small confined area. We raised the stream bottom and we narrowed the channel. We come in and we put in grade control structures to help prevent that downcutting so that the material that we've put in here stays in place. These rock structures help keep the stream stabilized and keep it from downcutting and widening and eroding all of the new material out again. We come back and we plant the disturbed areas on either side of the stream. We're doing this for several reasons. One of them is to restore the riparian corridor habitat so that we bring back all of the bugs and the critters that enjoy living around stream systems. Another critical part is that vegetation helps us with the structural control.
We use shrubs along the edge of the stream to stabilize the bank, and the roots will go down 2 feet and really hold the soil for us. So the planting that we do along these stream corridors, besides being structural, also provides a habitat for our native species. What we're trying to do is to set this project on the correct track for native species. Native species are so important because they support the whole web of life, from pollinators all the way up to birds and mammals. You'll see deer along the stream corridor, so our native plants are supporting that whole web of life.
And one of the consequences of downcutting and widening streams is that trees get lost. The soil gets taken out from underneath their root systems, the tree will come down, and we end up losing the soil and the benefit of that tree being in its location.
As you can see, there's quite a variation in the shade and sunlight along the stream corridor, and that creates different habitats for the amphibians and fish that live in the stream and the bugs that breed there. So shade is really important element. To jumpstart the canopy, we're putting in a variety of trees and shrubs along this stream corridor. It's important to have all the components. Over time, as those shrubs pop up and then the understory trees and the canopy trees, we develop a much richer hierarchy of plant material.
We're doing structural work, but the goal is a completely environmental focus on it. We're removing the contaminants and the sediment and the phosphorus and nitrogen from our waterways, and we're restoring the riparian corridor to provide the habitat benefits that a healthy stream system offers to the environment. So we've been through a winter and we've been most of the way through a spring, and the vegetation seems to be growing in pretty good shape and the structures are holding well. So I'm pleased with where we are, but we've got several years of monitoring in front of us.